313 at 317, a total of 630 na total of concerned transaction na finlag po ng AMLAC, both from Sara Duterte Carpio at Manasseh Carpio. Meron din naman daw pong suspicious transaction, a total of 33 sa mag-asawa. And then, ang total amount involved daw po na ifinlag dito ay nagkakahalaga po ng 6.7 billion pesos, at ang total amount inflow, yung pagpasok po ng pera, meron po 4.4 billion Sara Duterte and Mans Carpio. Total outflow, yung lumabas sa kanilang accounts, kalaga po ng 1.5 billion pesos. Coming from AMLAC, sabi po nila that there is an undetermined inflow and outflow transaction. Kung ima-minus mo yung 4.4 billion sa 1.5 billion, parang lumalagay po na merong 791 million pesos na unaccounted